Namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. So, how are you all doing? I really hope the other videos helped you to learn about coronavirus and chemistry. Right? So, today let's talk about tears. Different topic, I know. So, when do you cry? When we are hurt, or when you are sad about something, or extremely happy, then also we tend to cry, right? So I have this habit when I'm in an argument. So I don't know, halfway I just start crying, trying to prove my point. I'm like, you should not have done this, I did this is right. Or when I look at some very beautiful or happy moments, maybe even puppies and all that, we tend to have tears in our eyes, right? As we are talking about tears, did you know there are 3 types of tears? You're like, it comes out of eyes only one time. Types in tears? Yes. So one is basal tears. So it helps your eyes, it has to be lubricated all the time. So that is the reason we have this basal tears. And next is emotional tears, which we just spoke about, right? When you are experiencing this extreme emotions, that is when you tend to have these emotional tears. And the last one is reflex. That means when you are like, when the wind it is blowing or there is some dirt in your eyes, you tend to cry, you tend to tear up. That is because of the reflex tears. But that is all okay, why do onions make us cry? This you all must have experienced, right? So whenever you're chopping onions, so it would have, it could be finished within few minutes, but most of the time we are like, why do onions make us cry? Because it cannot crack a joke. Not funny? Okay. So I'll tell you, before that, I have some exciting news for you. What is that? Want to know? So, do you want to learn all the chapters? And if you have any doubts, that moment only you want someone to clear all your doubts, get notes, assignments, tests, everything, then all you have to do is head to the website and easy steps. Sometimes we all will be lost, right? We'll go to the website and we're like, what to do here? And I'm very bad at with this technology thing, so I'll be lost. So I'll help you how to get the subscription also. Head to the website, select grade 9th or 10th and the target CBSE 2021, ICSE 2021, Maharashtra board. Then get subscription. So 1 month is also available, 3 months, 6 months. So it is almost like Netflix Prime. You want to try it? If you like it, continue. But you will like it. That I'm very sure of. It is actually 4,000 rupees. But if you use this coupon code, that is SURPRO, you will be able to save 1,301 rupees. Wow. And that too, this offer is limited. So as soon as the session ends, I want you to go into the website and get this subscription so that you will be able to learn, taught by the India's best master teachers, and you will get personalized attention in every session. If you're not able to attend the session because of your personal reasons, you can even watch the full recording. Okay, then you will get the notes, tests, assignments. You can plan your own curriculum. If you want to learn this topic, I want to learn this chapter at this time by this teacher, that is available only at Vedanta. We have different kinds of course. You want to complete the whole curriculum? Yes. Long term. You're like, I'm confused with this chapter. I want to study this chapter again. Fine. So you will have your complete freedom. You can learn the way you want and from the teacher you would like to. What are you waiting for? You will subscribe now? Will I see you guys there too? Okay. Now coming back to our onions make us cry. Why? Even Mr. Bean wants to know. Okay. So onions contain amino acid sulfoxide, chemical. So chemistry is the reason you cry. So this amino acid sulfoxide will be present in the onion, right? So when you're basically cutting the onion, you are rupturing millions of cells. You might have, that will be the first experiment in the biology, I guess. We'll take this, we'll peel the onion and you look under the microscope, the cells. No? So when you are cutting or chopping an onion, the millions of onion cells will rupture. Then this amino acid sulfoxide along with the special enzymes, it will be released. So whichever was present in the cells, as it is ruptured, it has to come out. So this amino acid sulfoxide plus enzyme, you will get a compound that is syn-propane ethyl S oxide. So this is basically a combination of sulfur oxide, sulfuric acid, and it is very volatile. That means it will have very less boiling point. At the room temperature only, it will be converted into vapors. So obviously imagine you are cutting the onions, your eyes, right? You have to look at the onions, right? When you are chopping, obviously. So as you are near, obviously as it is a volatile substance, it will enter your eyes. And then this substance will react with the substance which is keeping your eyes lubricated, and then what what will be formed? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid in your eyes? I know. No. So everyone, even I keep telling my students, no. Whenever there is an acid or base, do not touch, do not taste. But there is sulfuric acid in your eyes, huh? We cannot leave it like that, right? Then what happens? You will get this burning sensation. It really irritates, right? It will burn, That is because it's an acid. Obviously, it will cause burning. So we don't want that. Our eyes is like, why is sulfuric acid here? Let me wash it away. So the lacrimal glands will produce a disinfecting liquid in the form of tears. So that is how, when there is presence of sulfuric acid, to wash it off, the lacrimal gland will produce tears, which is a reflex tear. That is the reason we tend to cry when you are chopping onions. Interesting, right? So do let me know if you liked it, and if you are not aware of it, you are like, whoa, you are impressed by the fact. And you can also suggest me few amazing facts which you are aware of, which blew your mind off, so that if I like it, I might actually pick it up and make a video on it, and obviously I'll give you the credits also. What say? Yes. Will you let me know? I'll go and check the comment section. Let's see how many ideas you have. Okay then. Chalo. Till now it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Signing off. I'll be back soon. Till then, keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu, and your master teacher Surabhi. Bye bye.